Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to calculate sum of a column in Google Sheets. So let's get started. Here I have opened my Google Sheets application on my phone and I have created a table as well, and we're going to calculate the sum of this column. So the first thing we're going to do is click on the cell where we want to put the calculation, and I'm going to put the calculation on the cell. So just click on the cell, then we can enter the formula. So we can add equal, then add sum function, and after that we can click on the range. We can select the range, then after we are done we can click on this check mark. Alright guys, and this is the calculation of this column, and that's how we can calculate sum of a column in Google Sheets. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this video is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.